Today we want to share with you some economical driving tips that will help you reduce your fuel consumption and make your driving more efficient. Let's start. Smooth ride. Avoid hard acceleration and braking. Accelerate smoothly and anticipate the need to slow down in advance to avoid hard braking. This style of driving will reduce fuel consumption and make the trip more comfortable. Maintain a constant speed. When driving on open roads, try to maintain a constant speed without excessive acceleration or deceleration. This will allow you to reduce fuel consumption, since it requires less energy to constantly maintain speed. Use cruise control. If your vehicle is equipped with cruise control, use it on open roads. Cruise control helps maintain a constant speed and avoid unnecessary fuel consumption. Check tire pressure. Make sure your tire pressure is within the recommendations of your vehicle manufacturer. Insufficient tire pressure can lead to increased fuel consumption due to increased rolling resistance. Check tires regularly and inflate tires as needed. Switch off the engine when idle. If you are waiting for more than a minute, for example at a traffic light or in a traffic jam, switch off the engine. Wasted idle time with an empty engine leads to unnecessary fuel consumption and excessive emissions. Reduce excess weight. Avoid carrying unnecessary items or cargo in the trunk that can add weight to the vehicle. Excess weight requires more energy to move and leads to increased fuel consumption. Regular maintenance. Proper and timely maintenance of your vehicle helps keep it in optimal condition. Changing filters, spark plugs, and oil, as well as maintaining proper engine tuning, will help reduce fuel consumption and improve vehicle performance. These tips will help you become a more economical driver, reduce fuel consumption, and improve your driving efficiency. Remember that even small changes in driving style can have a big impact on your wallet and the environment. Be responsible drivers and enjoy your rides.